Basta natin siya, guys. Okay? Hello? Hello, hello? Is it me you're looking for? Hi guys! It's me again, and again it's me. So welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. So for today's video, we will doing unboxing. So ito i-unbox natin to. This one. So I just ordered this from namatay.
This bitch.
I just ordered this from Shopee, and nag-order ako ng nakita ko lang tong microphone na to. So, let's try to unbox this para kasi marami kasi nagsasabi na pag nag-vlog ako, hindi kasi clear yung voice ko pag, explain like ganito. So, naisipan kong bumili na lang ng microphone for vlogging. So, I bought this. So, I will explain everything later na lang. So, let's try to unbox this right now. So, kukuha tayo ng samad tayo ni. So, let's unbox this. Pack. So, this is saan man ni? Makikita mo? Ako na lang basahon. This is wireless lavalier microphone. Ang po sa pag-pronounce basta mauna ni. So this is a wireless microphone, and you can order this on Shopee. I just ordered this. So sa may pag-ingon na po inyo eh. So muna ni siya. Ito na to. So let's open this na. Okay? Are you excited? I'm excited. Are you? Very good. So chilling. So actually
What the fuck?
So, sa wireless microphone, meron siyang Diyos ko. Wait. So, I think this is, look. Let's open this. Let's open this. So, meron siyang, I think this is yung magcha-charge kasi need to ng electricity para to work more efficiency. So this is it. See? Can you see it? Very good. Okay, so ito meron pa siyang ulo-ulo, I think. I don't know what this is, but I think this is extracurricular. So this is extra lang po to sa I think kasi nag-iisa lang po siya. And we have here the so this one. So this is when you plug this on your phone, and this is the receiver sender. I think so. This is it. Look, yeah. So let's move on. Pero hindi pa ako naka-move on. Alright. So this another one. So this is the microphone. See? Microphone. At dito lang po ilalagay yan. Where? Here. There. Para pag say ko, mas marinig nyo ng mabuti. You know? You know what I'm saying? So this is it. Look. So let's meron pa siya. Ito. My manual. So yeah, so we will know how to work this thing because kasi we will work this, okay? So, okay, function, how to use light, receiver, microphone, how to use light, green light on, light off, may power on, light off, kung power off, light, wait, Sa microphone, transmitter, how to use. Press daw. So, i-press na ko in. Press switch key about 3. So, 3 seconds. So, ilong press day siya. Ang kini para mo on. So, let's try this. 1, 2, 3. Ay. Bakit ganun? Kailangan siya i-charge. I know na. So, let's charge this muna, okay? So, marami pa siyang mga dito, mga process ng sa manual. Hindi ko lang babasahin lahat kasi tagal-tagal pang vlog natin, ganun te. So, let's try this na. So, bago to i-try, dapat bago pa to, dapat okay na to para they are connected together to each other. Para kung wala to, wala din to. Pwede naman meron to, nga wala to. Diyos ko. Alam mo ba sinasabi ko? Kasi hindi ko rin alam. Okay, so kailangan siya ng chargean. Diyos ko. Wait, i-pause sa na to.
One eternity later.
So guys, it took me 10 years para mag-borrow ng ganito. So ito na. So meron naman tayong ito at ito na lang ang kailangan. Just ilhanay na mag-charge na. Nag-red na siya pag nag-charge. So, hindi ko napapakita sa inyo kasi nindot na ang pwesto sa sa phone ko dito. So, chill lang kayo, chill. So, I will be right back kapag na fully charged na siya. So, we will test it out. You know. ASMR. So guys, hindi ko talaga natiis na. So, hindi pa siya as in supercharged kasi sabi dito, it will, the light color red, wala na yung red light. So, meron pang red light. So, hindi ko na talaga kaya. So, let's try it na. Okay, I will get it. Hello? Char lang.
It's what, bitch?
So, ititest na natin siya, guys. Okay? Hello? Hello, hello? Is it me you're looking for? Char. So, na-test ko na to. Okay, so narinig ko na. As in, na-pause ko yung video at nice ang quality niya, guys, sa microphone na to. Kahit dito pa siya, dito, marinig yung boses mo at there's no sound effects. There's no, talaga, mga background ko, basta, nafo-focus lang siya sa voice mo. So, it's nice. I liked it. It's super worth it to buy this. So, I will put this in a description box bala kung saan kayo, bibili nito. So, saan din ako nakabili dito sa Shopee. Para maka-experience din kayo ng ganito. Char lang. So, guys, gumana talaga siya. Pero, ang ko lang talaga is, concern ko lang talaga is, hindi talaga yung app ko na, hindi talaga yung original camera ko ang ginagamit ko ngayon. Pero before yon, you can see the quality of this video naman. I just download this app na open camera. So, I can use this wireless microphone. Kasi yung original nga camera ko, hindi talaga gumagana ang wireless microphone. At kung itetry ko naman sa TikTok na app at sa ibang apps na makagamit yung camera, ay gumagana. Pero sa totoong camera ko, as in, sa camera ko, sa cellphone ko, hindi talaga siya gumagana, day. So, I just downloaded this app na open camera para gumagana yung wireless microphone ko para sa vlog, 'di ba? Sayang naman to kung you know na. So, yun ang masasabi ko guys. So, let's just put this here na. So, let's see the quality. O, diba? Ganun. So, now I will explain this that yung issue natin na hindi siya gumagana. Dahil, so, pero nice ang quality na sa open camera na app na to. I kinda like that na. So, itong wireless camera is nabili ko sa Shopee, right? Tapos, ang price nito is about 520. So, I think it's 400. Then, 100 yung shipping. So, mura-mura lang talaga to guys. So, 520 kasi sa budget, okay? And it took like a week para dumating dito sa akin itong product na to. So, it's kind of worth it talaga na may nagagamit na ako dito. Just ko die. So, that's all for today's video. I will see you to the next video. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below if anong gusto nyong gagawin ko sa sunod na vlog. So, it's your choice. Charot, it's your suggestion and I will make that happen. Okay na. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for taking this journey with me para lang sa unboxing. Thank you guys. Buyers. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.